You drinking water from the table. She pours water on the table and then drinks. And you pour the water again? Okay. Oh, did you pour water again? Yummy. Am I being a bad mom for allowing her to do this? I clean the table. She's just having fun. Ooh, yummy water. Are you okay? Okay. Say bye. Say